Alright, so in this part of making a wheel, what we're going to do is actually, like I said, make where the linkage arm attaches to the wheel. Okay, and if you notice, all I did while I was waiting for the last video to load is I just changed the color and the physical aspects of it as well. Okay, so anyways, what we're going to do is we're going to start with this, and we're going to start from this sort of inside plane here and build up. Okay. So what I need to do is create a 2D sketch and make sure I select that inside surface. Again, since if we look here, you can see that it basically cuts that wheel in half. So what I'm going to do is hit F7, and that'll slice that. Well, it should slice that in half. Okay. Well, we'll just keep going. So I'm going to create a point along the x-axis, so right out directly along the x-axis there. Oops, go back into that sketch. And dimension from the center point out, and that's going to be 0.7 inches. Okay, so that's found on this part right here. So you can see if I zoom in that the center point, there's a center mark here, and it's dimensioning to the center of that hole. Okay, so that is my center point, so I know that's 0.7 inches away. What I'm going to do is draw a circle, find that center point, and the diameter of that is, read from this one right here, it's 0.25. And there I can go ahead and finish my sketch and extrude that, just the circle part right there, to a length of 3/8 of an inch, so 0.375. And here, if I zoom over, you guys can see that it's starting to look like it should. Okay. So from there, what I'm going to do is create another 2D sketch on top of that, and I'm going to make this overall. So I'm not going to make this hole a drill hole first. All I'm going to do is just create another circle on top of that, the diameter of 1/8 inch, so 0.125. Finish my 2D sketch, extrude that up 1/8 inch as well. That is 0.125. Looks a little tall. Okay. The reason why it looks tall is because I kind of misread this. Oh, no, I didn't. Never mind. It should be 3/8 of an inch. Let's just be the view that it's at. Okay. So if I were to go like this, I can grab that corner right there and flip back to my Word document. Okay, looks pretty similar from there. Go to that top view. Actually, that looks a little tall, so I'm actually going to change this adjustment. Okay. So I'm actually going to go back into the sketch, not this one, with the previous sketch, and just go 0.25. Okay. So it looks a little tall. So that looks better. So here we got that going. And then what I'm going to do is now I can go ahead and create this actual hole right there. So that's again done by creating a 2D sketch on top of that point and selecting a point right in the center of that circle. Finish my 2D sketch, use my hole tool, and the diameter is 0.0625. So that's this one, 0.0625, to a depth of 1/4 inch. Okay. So the reason why you can see that I had to do that hole last is because it actually goes through that first part, so I wouldn't be able to actually extrude the two circles on that sketch 4. So I actually had to wait until it was extruded up, then I could drill back down. So that's your wheel. Go ahead and save that and then move on to your next part.